Hallo, it's dumplet here. Here's an item on algebra. Let's define a new operator, the triangle. Let a triangle B be equal to a squared minus b squared. Given that, the following expression can be written as 2 raised to a times b, where b is odd. Find the value of a plus b. Now, credits to the Art of Problem Solving community for this item. As usual, pause this video if you'd like to give this item a try, but if you're done, let us dive into the solution. Now let's try to analyze the given expression here. So, well, since we know that a triangle means that we're going to do a squared minus b squared, so we can do one step ahead. We can factor it into a minus b times a plus b from our algebra. This is just simply the difference of two squares, and we can rewrite the given expression as like this, and we can try to simplify it because we have like individual factors now. So let's try to simplify it. So 100 minus 98, that's going to be 2. So 100 plus 98, that's 198. So let's just write the first few terms down. And we notice that in the numerators, it's going to be 2 times 198, 2 times 194, and so on until 2 times 6. So it's 2 times something. So that's true for everything, and that's something. If you go check the next few terms, the next term was going to give you 2 times 190. So the something that you multiply, in this case the 198, the 194, the 190, all the way down until the 6. So that it's technically terms of an arithmetic sequence, like we go down each by 4. So let's count how many 2's are there. So we started from like let's try to start from 2. And the thing that we subtract, and then the first thing that we subtract here is 98. So from 2 to 98, we can technically say that's 49 positive even integers. So we can use that way of counting, and we count that there are 49 2's if you count all of them. So I have the 2 raised to 49 over here, and let me just write down the 198, the 194, the 190, all the way down to 6, as you can see here. So that's for the numerator part. Now for the denominator, let's take a look. After factoring, we get 97 times 1, 95 times 1, and so on. So this is like something times 1, something times 1, and so on. And if you're going to check the next few terms, it's going to be 93 times 1, 91 times 1. So it's just the odd numbers. So we start from 97 because the 1 here, it's just a 1, so we don't really care about it for now. Now we just copy 97, 95, the next term is going to be 93, so we multiply all of those until 1. So far we have this part, and let's try to see if we can simplify this further. So let's take a look at this. Now let's focus on the red part, because 194, now let me just write down the next few terms as well. 190, 186 from our analysis that the numbers like go down by 4 each time. And then here we have 97, 95. The next few terms is going to be 93 and 91, and so on. And this is pretty nice because 97 times 2 is 194. 95 times 2 is the 190. 93 times 2 is the 186. So we can kind of see some cancellations here. So 97 and the 194, it's going to be a 2. 95 and the 190, that's going to be a 2. So all of these things in the top box, they will just simply become 2's after the cancellation. So we just have to count like how many 2's are there. So let's take a look at the denominator. So since we have 97 down to 3, so let's try to think. How many terms is this from 3 to 97? So we're talking about the odd numbers. So we can technically say like the 3 here is the second odd number, and 97 here is the 49th. So 2 to 49, that's going to be 48 numbers in total. So there will be 48 terms that you multiply here, and therefore there should be 49 2's after we do our cancellation. 48 2's after the cancellation. So this expression will simply become 2 raised to 49 times 198 times the 2 raised to 48. So this thing came from after the cancellation. So all you have to do is just simplify this into the certain format that they require, which is 2 raised to a times b. So let's try to do this now. Since the 198, there is a factor of 2. It's going to be 2 times 99. So let's include the 2 in the actual format that 2 raised to 8, that the given is equal to 2 raised to 8 times b, because b is odd. So we can just use the law of exponents. We add the 49, the 2 raised to 1 here, and then the 48, the 2 raised to 48 here, so we include it here. So it's going to be 2 raised to 49 plus 1 plus 48. This is equal to 98. So the given expression is actually just equal to 2 raised to 98 times 99. Now this becomes our a, and this becomes our b. Therefore, our a plus b would be equal to this 197. And this will be our final answer. Hopefully you guys learned something new from this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye!